at a construction site where work is ongoing right now. And I'm pleased to be able to say that we're here today to join all Pennsylvanians in celebrating what we consider to be a breakthrough in our efforts to keep Pennsylvania's people safe and our goods and services moving here and moving into a new future for Pennsylvania. After a great deal of debate over the months since June, and after a great deal of hard work, we have a transportation funding bill that will provide a sustainable source of revenue for our roads, for our bridges, and for our transit system. I've mentioned before that every school day, 1.5 million children get on 31,000